Hey loves, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. So alright y'all, today we are finally reviewing this sis from she's a sister wig. She's a Zury Hollywood wig, and she goes by the name of Wiggle Lock. Y'all see the wiggle lock, okay? So this is pretty much a wig with a scarf attached, okay? They do have a variety of scarf patterns. The last one that I did was the leopard print one. This one is the BK natural, black natural, and it kind of has the it just has the normal look of like a headscarf. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a normal headscarf. It's just like what I like about their scarves is very lightweight, but they are like a sheer. So it's very lightweight. It's not hot. You know what I'm saying? But as far as like the print, I mean, it kind of reminds me of like the old school paisley print that you see on most of the scarves. I'm not 100% huge on paisley, but you know, this kind of reminds me of like back in the day growing up in Vegas. But anywho, how y'all, she's really straightforward. Of course, she's synthetic. Let me show y'all. See, if you look here, you can see the leopard print one, and you can see this one. So you do have your choices of what scarf, as well as the color that you choose, because she does have a variety of colors. They list them all here and here. I will drop the link, and I will drop the information and the link below in the video description for y'all. So let me know if y'all have any questions. Have y'all tried her? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as well as if you are not subscribed, I highly appreciate it. It's free. Please go ahead, make it official, become one of my loves, one of my lovelies, mis amores, and just press the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the alert bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. You heard me? So yeah, baby, so that's what we gonna do. And then also, y'all, if you would please follow me on social media. Please go follow your girl. Make sure you follow lovely.angel shop. That's my business, as well as Lovely Angel Lady on Pinterest, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, on what else are we on? Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook. What am I leaving out, y'all? I think that's pretty much where I'm the most active. So please follow your girl, and yeah, let me know what y'all think about sis. I'm gonna show you, like, she literally took 5 minutes. I showed y'all 3 different ways that, you know, I would rock the scarf. This is the 3rd way right here. So y'all will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that. So sit tight, don't you go nowhere. Pics will be included at the end, my love. So y'all be blessed. Have a fantabulous weekend. Your girl loves you. I love you so much. And I will see y'all around. I will see y'all soon. I just dropped hand sanitizers, y'all. I'm super psyched about that. They smell so sweet and so good. If y'all have tried any of my products, y'all know they smell like a bakery. So when you're kind of like a foodie at heart, you know, I kind of like baking, but without eating all the sweets. So it just kind of gives me that ability to make good smelling stuff as though I'm baking it to eat it, but I'm not, you know, but it's all good. I hope y'all like it. The Sandy Palms they have like a little palm chain on them, and then you could also clip them on your purse, on your backpack, whatever you're rocking, your jeans, you can clip them. And yeah, y'all, they're about 2 ounces in size, and they are coconut and sweet vanilla with tea tree oil and just a hint of tea tree oil. But when I tell you, they do not dry your hands out, and they're super cute, y'all. They are super cute. Wait until y'all see them. So that's why I said go follow me on social media, because on social media you'll know about everything first. You know what I'm saying? I usually post on there before you even see a video. You heard me? But all right, your girl loves you, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, so sit tight. We're gonna go ahead and let y'all see me styling her, you know, styling a scarf pretty much a couple times, and I'm gonna let y'all go, let y'all get out of here. All right, my loves, bye. Let's get it.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. You're still stuck on my mind, you won't go away. It's like you are a part of me, the mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, we won't waste any more time, yeah.